This is Kate. One day, she got an acceptance letter to a U.S. university. She was so happy and excited about her upcoming adventure. With so many nice sights to see, she's ready to pack her bags right now and go. Sadly, this is the time when she realized finding a rental place is not easy. It's either too expensive, take too long to travel to her destination every day. The worst thing is, she doesn't speak the local language well. It would be like speaking to an alien. And with no friend there to help her out, she is getting worried and desperate. Time was running up before she had to leave, and because the hotel in San Francisco is very expensive, she does not want to waste unnecessary money on it. But, does she have a choice? That's where we come in. Introducing the Adapt Relocation Concierge Service, where your simplicity is a priority. Our goal: help remove your relocation frustration. Provide local guides like what is the best or cheapest place to eat, smartest way to shop for bargains, helping you find a place to stay according to your budget, lifestyle or other requirements. But most importantly, being there for you when you need it most, all for a very low fee. Check out our website for more service package details. We even have special package tailored towards those that are planning to bring their family. As always, your simplicity is a priority.